Do you feel really tight and congested and stuck in your upper body, your chest, and your shoulders? This is a really great stretch that you can do to start opening yourself up. But most of us will want to use a strap. A towel or a scarf or a necktie will work great if you don't have an official yoga strap. I'm Krista. Each Monday, I like to share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. If you bring your hands behind you and your arms don't go straight, that's when you want to use the strap. In this posture, you want your arms to be straight. Use the strap and adjust the hands on the strap until the arms are really straight. That way, when you lift up through the chest and squeeze the shoulder blades together, you get more of an opening. And then you can even add a fold, sending the chest down. You can go wider on the strap as you need to. Keeping the arms straight the entire time will really help release in those shoulders. Use your core as you come all the way back up to the top, and then eventually just release the strap. Take a moment to notice how that feels. It feels really good in your body. If you do this posture without the strap, you're never going to get that full stretch because your arms can't go straight. The strap helps your arms get straight. Yoga and mindfulness is important to bring into your life, and I hope I can share that with you today. I hope you have a wonderful open day. Namaste.